Okie dokie. So I'm going to do a quick demo on how to put names in the prayer roll for the temple. And if you're not a member and you're listening to this, we have prayer rolls in the temple where we pray for people. So if you have somebody that needs some prayers, you can put it in here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And then this is also going to show you how to attend the temple, how to make an appointment. And if you're not LDS, then, well, you can be, and then you can go to the temple. All right. Let's see. So you want to go to the regular church website, Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.org. Then you go to serve. It says temples, attending the temple. So first serve temples, then attending the temple. Here's the prayer roll. So if you want to put names in the prayer roll, you just put the name here. We'll put my name in here. If you have someone else you want to put in there, let's put Ron's name in there. And we submit the names just like that. So that's all. And then you have lots of people praying. You want to make an appointment to attend the temple? Well, first get baptized, and then you wait a year, and then you can go to appointments and pick. You'll have a temple. Mine's the Mount Timpanogos temple. You can also go to a different temple. Say I decided I wanted to go to the Baton Rouge, Louisiana temple. I could do that too. And then you'd go select this temple. But I want to use my temple, which is Mount Timpanogos. Select this temple, and then you can pick which ordinance you're going to do. You can do baptism, initiatory, endowment. If you want to add your spouse, you'd add your spouse here. And then you just click, and if it's blue, that means it's open. Say I want to go tomorrow. I could go to the 8:15 regular session. Say I decided to wait till Saturday. See how it says 0000 all time. Well, here's one at 12. You can go on Saturday. So they're doing it now so that they update this. So if somebody cancels, it'll automatically show. So a lot of times, if you want to go like the same day, you just have to keep checking the appointments. So select the temple, endowment, like for tomorrow, it's already showing, or no, that's today. Whoa, that's today. See, it's already showing today. I could attend the 8:15 session already. Yeah, so that's all you do. Or say I wanted to go Wednesday, lots of seats available. I don't want to go at 5:30 in the morning. If you want to go at 10 o'clock, it'll send you a confirmation email, and you would just click that. Not that you need assistance, you'll click this, that you read the safety protocols, and then schedule appointment. And that's it, easy peasy. And let me know if you have questions.